oh no, oh no.
Oh, you color on the paper, ha?
Look.
It's okay, baby.
This one.
Sorry, it's okay. You hold it. What color is that?
Orange.
Orange.
I mean, Dora's orange.
Color orange.
Rainbow, Saya,
You pick only one color. You pick only one color, then you put it on the paper. You're mixing all the colors.
Thanks for helping us learn to fly. This is a blast. And it's even more fun than I imagined. Look, there's Romeo.
Is that your painting?
Time to be a hero.
Yes.
Is it beautiful?
These powers are incredible. Romeo, you're not keeping our powers any longer. What are you going to do? Break my PJ power copier that took me a really, really long time to build so it releases your powers? Sounds like a good idea to me. I would do it, actually. But first, you'll have to deal with my super ego muscles. Remember, everyone, follow my lead.
Is that your artwork?
Yes. Okay.
Ah! Super lizard grip! You heard Romeo. All we have to do is get that machine. Now right. Ellen!
Say hi.
Hi.
Tell them about your artwork. Artwork. Tell them how many colors do you have. Can you count how many colors?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10.
10, and there's more.
1,
So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yeah, there's 12 colors. What are the colors? What colors do you see?
Rainbow.
Rainbow colors. Because there's so many colors. What are you making? What is this one?
Black.
Black? What do you call your artwork?
Black.
What color? At what will you call it? Your artwork?
And the color is pinks.
Pinks? Pinks?
And it'll be more fun if we all do it together. My turn! Oops.
Okay, and your video muna, ha?
Run, Catboy!
Say, thank you for watching my video.
Flags
Thanks
for
for watching this video.
amazing!
Can you spell my name with me?
Great. Right, Connor?
It's
Oh, yes. Especially when I lead it with my drum. I am a pretty amazing drummer. Let's
double.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you next time.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye
Bye bye.
bye.
Look